Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel TechW. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a very common error of Creative Cloud desktop application, which is you have been signed out. So every time you launch the application, it comes up with this error message. Okay, let me show you how to fix this. Also, every time you launch Creative Cloud desktop application, it will ask you to sign in again and again, endless number of times. And it happens because there are certain entries of Adobe which blocks the Adobe server in the host file, and therefore it occurs. Okay, so let's try to reset the host file first, and then we'll check the issue is fixed or not. Okay, so let's do it. Now just type run and click on the run, and it will open the run dialog box. Now type drivers here, click on OK, and it will open this window. Click on etc, and here's your host file. You have to click on, you have to just drag on the desktop. Okay, for Mac users, in order to locate the host file, you have to click on the top and left menu bar and click on Go tab. And after clicking on Go tab, you have to go to the Go To folder and then type //etc, and then this text edit. There's an option called text edit in the Mac that will open in text edit, and you have to do the same thing. Drag the host file on the desktop, right click on it, and then click on open with, and then choose notepad. For Mac user, you have to choose text edit. Click on OK, and you'll have this host file open here. Now you can see how many Adobe's entries are here. So leave this one. You do not have to delete this. You have to delete from here. So in my case, it only this much, but in your case, it may be full of host file. It will be more and more. Okay, now just hit the delete button. So this Adobe's entry will be deleted from the host file. Now the host file is clear. We have reset the host file. So in order to make change, save the changes, you have to just click on Control S button. In order to save the changes, you need to use the Control S, so that whatever changes we have made, that will be saved in the host file. Now exit out from the window, drag the host file back to the original location. If it is asking you to the administrator permission, click on continue. For the Mac users, it will ask you to replace the file. Click on replace. Now the host file have been dragged back to the original location. Now we will launch the application, Creative Cloud Desktop app. We'll try to sign in with the Adobe registered email address and the password. I'm going to click on continue with Google because I have the Google account and the Adobe account same. I'm going to sign in and we'll check whether it's working. So now you can see I'm successfully signed in here. I'm all set, and the Creative Cloud is successfully signed in with my Adobe registered email address. So this was the first step to fix the host file. So that will fix the issue for sure, and if it is not fixing the issue, I'm going to show you the next step, what you have to do. So right beside the start button, type credential manager. Sorry guys, CREDEN. Here's the credential manager. Open it, and then click on Windows credentials. So you can see you can see the generic credential here, and you can see Adobe App Info, and the Adobe user info and the Adobe user OS info. So you have to delete these Adobe's entries. So you can do one by one. Just click on this tiny drop down arrow button and you have the remove option. You can remove it like this, but you can see there are many Adobe credential here. There are many Adobe credential. See, in order to remove the credential, you need to run the Adobe Creative Cloud Cleaner tool. Although you can do it manually one by one, but if you run the Adobe Creative Cloud Cleaner tool, that will be easy for you. So I've also made a video how to run the Creative Cloud Cleaner tool. You can check my YouTube channel, and I have showed how to run the Creative Cloud Cleaner tool, but I'll show you once again how to clear the Adobe credential using Creative Cloud Cleaner tool. So what you have to do is you can just open the browser. At top in the address bar, type in Creative Cloud Cleaner tool. Hit enter. The very first link you can see is here. This one. Adobe. Download and run the Creative Cloud Cleaner tool. Click on it. And then it will give you both the option, Windows and Mac. So I am using Windows. I'm going to select Windows. Click on download. You have the Mac option as well. So the Mac one will be downloaded in the name of .dmg with the extension .dmg, but the Windows one is going to be downloaded here in the tiny drop down button, the downloaded button at top and right corner. You can see it's been downloaded here. Just click on this downloaded file, or you can also run it as administrator. If it is asking you for the administrator permission, click on yes. Now you'll have the command prompt open here, and you'll have two options, English and Japanese. Of course, we're going to select English. So I'll hit E and hit enter. And then it will ask you to accept the terms. So type Y and hit enter. Then you can see it's asking you to choose from one of the following option to clean up. So we have to choose number 11. Number 11 is for remove the Adobe ID credential. So we'll type in here 11 and hit enter. So again, it will asking you to confirm whether you want to remove the Adobe credential. Type Y as in yes and hit enter. So now you can see it's showing Adobe Creative Cloud Cleaner tool completed successfully. That means it has done its job. It has removed the Adobe ID credential. However, we will check it. So just type exit and hit enter. The command prompt will be closed. Now we'll go ahead and check the Adobe ID credentials are removed or not. You can just type in credential again in the search bar right beside the start button. Click on credential manager. Again, window credential. Within the generic, you can see how many Adobe ID credential are remaining here. All those are deleted, only this much, only this are there. Okay, now so whichever are left here, you can delete it one by one. I mean, you have to delete the Adobe dummy credential as well. Just click on remove, yes, and again not this, only the Adobe one. Click on remove, yes. Click on the tiny see, if you'll not delete this, that's not going to make any difference, but let's delete it. This is Creative Cloud desktop app credential. All right, so now I'll just remove it. So every Adobe credentials are removed from here. We have removed the Adobe credential by using Credential Manager, by using Creative Cloud Cleaner tool, I beg your pardon. So even after running the Adobe Creative Cloud Cleaner tool, if it's not, if there are some credential, if it shows up there, you can just remove it manually one by one. Okay, so now all the Adobe credentials are removed. Okay, for Mac users, in order to clear the credential or in order to delete credential, Adobe credential, you need to go to the keychain access. So if you want to open the keychain access, you have to go to top and right corner in your Mac OS, Mac operating system, and click on the spotlight option, which is like a magnifying glass, and type keychain in the search bar and open the keychain. So after opening the keychain, from left hand side you'll have the login option. So click on the login option, then it will show the Adobe credential like Adobe Info and User OS. You have to delete all those Adobe credential and then try to launch the application and see if it works. So that's it for today. Let me know in the comment if it works for you. Uh, or if you guys need any help, you can just ask me in the comment box. I will reply with the steps. And I really hope that you're going to subscribe and like my channel, my video. Thank you and have a great day ahead. Take care. Bye bye.